Chisamba Town Council has procured a 25-ton tipper truck using Constituency Development Fund (CDF). The tipper truck is valued at over 1.7 million kwacha. Chisamba Constituency Member of Parliament Chushi Kasanda has commissioned the truck.
We want to bring development closer to the people. Mucha CDF muli 3 million yachani yafiwa kuti hivi vimagreda vikazisebenza hivi vimatipa vikazisebenza ndio mali mzazi wa kuti ndani hakainda sebenza.
Chisamba District Commissioner says CDF is improving livelihoods in the district.
In terms of community projects, we are building schools, clinics. In terms of empowerment of women, youths, and everybody, there are a lot of funds. So don't decide not to see.
The local authority has assured the community of good usage of the property.
But with the coming in of this tipper truck, together with the other old tipper truck we have and the two graders, we are now put to task. We want to uplift the face of the township roads. Our major target, the first priority is Chisamba Ward.
Ichi chintu chamene chaguliwa ni chintu chamushe maningi. Nicho tandiza wonse. Badadi, bafupi, bachewa, babemba, adi wonse muntu amene ankhala mu constituency yathu.
Linda Mopemo, Zanis, in Chisamba.